My name is Gary Thompson Jr., and the topic for my presentation is natural gas as a transportation fuel. Natural gas as a fuel. Natural gas contains the most energy amongst hydrocarbon fuels. Its calorific value is 47.5 megajoules per kilogram. This is better than coal's and diesel's calorific values of 43.5 and 42.7 megajoules per kilogram, respectively. The reason for this higher calorific value is because of natural gas's high hydrogen to carbon ratio of approximately 4. This shows that natural gas is primarily composed of methane. Natural gas is the third most important resource for energy in the world, and as you can see on the right, this figure shows how natural gas fares against other primary fuel sources. While it's primarily used for the domestic sector of cooking and heating, there are over 18 million natural gas vehicles worldwide. Economy of natural gas vehicles. Compared to gasoline and diesel, natural gas is the cheapest source of fuel. This is because of the abundance of natural gas in the U.S. The figure on the right compares the cost of natural gas to gasoline and diesel, and as you can see, compressed natural gas is about half the price of gasoline and diesel in today's market. The cost of converting an internal combustion engine to use natural gas is about $5,000. This varies based on the type of engine, between $5,000 and $6,500. Natural gas vehicles also have a low maintenance cost because when it enters the engine, it does not wash down the lubricating oil. Compressed natural gas vehicles. 3 types of natural gas vehicles. The dedicated compressed natural gas engine, a bi-fuel gasoline engine, and a dual-fuel diesel engine. A dedicated compressed natural gas engine is a spark ignition engine that operates only on natural gas. A bi-fuel gasoline engine is an internal combustion engine that can run on gasoline or natural gas. The driver can select what fuel to use by flipping a switch on the dashboard. And the diagram on the right is an example of a bi-fuel engine being made by Volvo. And as you can see in the diagram, the natural gas tanks are located just above the tire and below the back seats. And they are compressed in cylinders at pressures of 2,900 to 3,600 psi. Safety of natural gas vehicles. Compressed natural gas has a narrow range of flammability that is 4.3% to 15.2% by volume of air. This really means that natural gas will burn in the presence of a spark. Well, it will not burn in the presence of a spark unless the concentration of natural gas in the air is between 4.3% and 15.2%. Compressed natural gas has an auto-ignition temperature of 540 degrees Celsius. Auto-ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which a fuel will ignite due to only heat. And to compare the compressed natural gas's value to some other relevant values, which could be gasoline and diesel, their auto-ignition temperatures are 258 and 316 degrees Celsius, respectively. Compressed natural gas has a density of 0.68 kilograms per meter cubed, which is lower than air's density of 1.225 kilograms per meter cubed. The significance of this is in the case of a leak, the natural gas would rapidly disperse in the air. This is different how typical diesel and gasoline would leak and how they pool up on the ground. This increases the risk for fires. Environmental effects of natural gas vehicles. Compressed natural gas is one of the cleanest burning fuels available. It produces less carbon dioxide per unit of energy, and this value comes out to be about 0.05 kilograms of carbon dioxide per megajoule. And as you can see on the figure on the left, natural gas emits the lowest amount of carbon dioxide amongst these primary fuels. The sour gas can be sweetened to eliminate sulfur emissions during combustion as well. And it also has lower emissions of carbon monoxide because, again, of its high hydrogen to carbon ratio. NOx gases because of its low flame adiabatic temperature, and particulate matter. These are the references I use for my project, and as you can see from the advantages of natural gas, I can't see a future that does not include natural gas vehicles